Good afternoon, class 6. So as we have finished with the reader part, we have finished with your reader, and you can now start revising from unit number 4 and start sending your work unit wise in a PDF form, not in the form of images. Start sending, first of all send the PDF of unit number 4, and those who have sent, no need to send it again. Arnav and this Aman and 1-2 other students, all of you are supposed to send me your notebook work unit wise in a PDF form. So after watching this video, send your work, अपनी copies पूरी कर लीजिए, complete and start revising, because I'm going to take the test now from your readers. So today we are going to start with the grammar part. Open your book, grammar book. Open your grammar book and page number 48, that is adjectives and its kinds. So today we are going to start with this chapter, adjectives and its kinds. So what is adjective? Can you tell me? Adjective, like if I say this boy is very tall. So what is tall? First of all tell me, इसमें noun क्या होगा? This boy is very tall. Noun होगा boy, और boy कैसा है दिखने में? He is a tall, right? I am saying this boy is tall. This boy is very tall. Now here the noun is being described by the word tall. तो tall क्या हुआ हमारा? Describing word. तो हमारे adjectives क्या होते हैं? जो noun को describe करते हैं, the words that describe the noun, tells about more about the noun or modifies the noun, are called as adjectives. So adjectives tells us something about the noun. Adjectives tells something about the noun. It can be a noun. Noun can be it can be a person, it can be a place, animal, or a thing. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or a thing. So it can be a name of a boy, name of a place, name of an animal, or name of a thing. वो किसी भी चीज़ को जो कि नाउन है उसको वो डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है. तो हमारे एडजेक्टिव्स क्या होते हैं? एक तरह से डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स होते हैं. अब नाउन के भी बहुत सारे एट्रीब्यूट्स हैं जो आप डिस्क्राइब करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बॉय, इफ आई से दिस बॉय, दैट बॉय मे बी अ बॉय. नाउ ये हमारा नाउन हो गया. अब ये क्या हो सकता है? He can be tall, he can be short, he can be fair, he can be dark, he can be fat, anything. He can be boy is rude, anything which is expressing this noun. So it can be anything. All these words are called as adjectives. ये क्या है हमारे? ये सारे हमारे adjectives हैं जो कि noun को describe कर रहे हैं. उसमें कुछ भी आ सकता है. Smiling भी आ सकता है, colorful भी आ सकता है, rude भी आ सकता है, crying भी आ सकता है, tall, short, fair, fat, thin, anything. The word that is describing the noun is known as adjective. So, as I am explaining it on the board, and you have to write it from your books. Okay? Open your books as well as notebooks. As I am explaining, you can start writing in your notebooks. So, you first of all write down the definition that an adjective tells us something about a noun. A noun may have many attributes. For example, a boy is a noun. It can be tall, it can be short. It can be tall or it can be short. He can be intelligent or he can be foolish. He can be educated or he can be uneducated. Rich, poor, whatever you can use. The word, all these words are known as adjectives. So, what is the quality of the noun? It is in order to express the quality of that noun, we use adjectives. जब हमें नाउन की क्वालिटी के बारे में बताना है तब हमें डिस्क्राइब करने की ज़रूरत पड़ती है और हम किस वर्ड से डिस्क्राइब करते हैं उसे हम एडजेक्टिव्स कहते हैं. तो आप ये डेफिनेशन लिख लीजिए पूरी. ही इज़ अ रिच बॉय. नाउ ही इज़ अ रिच बॉय. अब ये क्या है? ये नाउन है. अब ये कैसा है? बॉय कैसा बॉय है? वो एक रिच बॉय है. तो यहाँ पे जो रिच है वो हमारा हो गया एडजेक्टिव. नाउ द नाइल इज अ लॉन्ग रिवर. द नाइल इज अ लॉन्ग river. Now river here is a noun and it is describing, so this is the adjective. This is the describing word, so this is the adjective. Parminder is a brilliant student. Student noun. और वो कैसा स्टूडेंट है? ब्रिलियंट है. मीन्स ब्रिलियंट जो है हमारा एडजेक्टिव हो गया. What kind of student? Brilliant. He was wearing a blue shirt. Which shirt he was wearing? Blue shirt. शर्ट हमारी डिस्क्राइब कर रही कि उसने इस रंग की शर्ट पहनी थी. कौन से रंग की पहनी हुई थी? ब्लू. सो ब्लू हियर इज डिस्क्राइबिंग द शर्ट, डिस्क्राइबिंग द कलर विच ही इज wearing. So the blue is the adjective here. There are 3 rooms in the house. So it is describing the house कि house में 3 rooms हैं. Okay, जो 3 word है, it can be the number, it can be the color, it can be any quality, anything. All these words which describe the noun are known as adjectives. Thus, the words which tell us about the quality of the nouns, which might have been either used as a subject or as an object, are called as adjectives. तो ऐसे वर्ड्स जो हमारे नाउन्स को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं, फिर वो चाहे एज अ सब्जेक्ट यूज हुए हैं और या फिर एज अ ऑब्जेक्ट यूज हुए हैं, उन्हें हम एडजेक्टिव्स कहते हैं. Now exercise number 1, underline the adjectives used in the given sentences. Follow the example. Now come to exercise number 1. Tarun is a sharp shooter. तरुण क्या है? शूटर है. ठीक है. कैसा शूटर है? शार्प शूटर है. तो शार्प जो वर्ड है वो क्या है? हमारा एडजेक्टिव है. नाउ दे बोर्डेड अ लग्जरी बस. नाउ लग्जरी बस. कैसी बस बोर्ड की उन्होंने? बस तो हो गई हमारा नाउन. कैसी बस बोर्ड की? लग्जरी. सो दिस इज द एडजेक्टिव. क्लियर? Agra is not far from New Delhi. Agra is not far from New Delhi. So here आगरा जो है न्यू दिल्ली से बहुत ज़्यादा फार नहीं है. तो इसमें वो क्या बता रहा है? दूरी बता रहा है. तो जो हमारा वर्ड है फार, फार इज द एडजेक्टिव. अंडरलाइन कर लीजिए आप. They are educated people. So here educated जो है हमारा adjective है. The aeroplane flew high in the sky. Aeroplane flew verb कितना? High. So here high. Sanju is a stubborn boy. कैसा boy है? Stubborn. So 5th में हमारा आएगा stubborn. What is stubborn? जिद्दी. Tony and Tina are identical twins. Identical. So this is the adjective here. So now we have finished with the exercise number 1. Now, no, not now. We have not yet finished. My niece is a very healthy child. So 7th is healthy. 8th, the hockey match is interesting. Interesting. Underline. Gold is an expensive metal. Expensive. Underline. Now 10th is today it is sunny and bright. Sunny and bright, both. Because it is describing the day. कैसा है? दिन कैसा है? Sunny है और bright है. तो दोनों हमारे adjectives हैं जो कि दिन को describe कर रहे हैं. Now we come to the kinds of adjectives. So like nouns, there are kinds of nouns also. Can you tell me how many types of nouns are there? Proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, then collective nouns and gender nouns, plural nouns. So all these are types of nouns. Similarly, there are kinds of adjectives also, which tells about, like if we say adjective of quality, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, distributive adjective, adjective of quantity, interrogative adjective and possessive adjective. So how many types? 7 types, right? Kinds of adjectives. First one is adjective of quality. Then adjective of quantity. Then adjective of number. Interrogative. Demonstrative. Sixth one is distributive. And 7th is possessive adjective. So these are 7 types of adjectives. Now one by one we will try to understand it. First of all, what is adjective of quality? It is used to indicate the quality of a noun or a pronoun. ये क्या बताता है हमें? Noun या pronoun की quality के बारे में बताता है. It tells about the quality of a noun or a pronoun. In other words, it answers the question what kind. ये क्या बताता है हमें? What kind. किस तरह का है? Describes the noun in a form. एक तरह से ये question जो है हमारे mind में आएगा what kind को answer करता है. Now see how. Harshita is a disciplined person. If I write here, Harshita is a disciplined person. Now ask yourself, what kind of girl is Harshita? What kind? Kind. What kind? Disciplined. तो ये आपको क्या बता रहा है कि वो किस तरह का है, हमारा नाउन या प्रोनाउन. काइंड क्या है? काइंड बताता है इसमें ये. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द सीन इज ब्यूटिफुल. Scene. What kind of scene it is? It is beautiful. So again it is telling you kind. The riddle is difficult. What kind of riddle it is? It is difficult. So again it is telling you the kind. He is my best friend. What kind of friend is he? He is my best friend. They are cruel to animals. They are cruel to animals. So what kind they treat the animals? They treat the animals, they are very cruel to animals. How they treat, right? So here the cruel is an adjective and the pronoun they. They are means it describes the noun or a pronoun. In the starting only I told you that it describes a noun or a pronoun, or in short we can say it answers the question what kind. So here cruel is an adjective and it is describing the word they by answering what kind of people are they. वो किस तरह के लोग हैं? They are cruel to animals. So this tells about what kind. So you have to write all these examples in your notebooks. First of all, you will start from the page number 48, write down the definition. Then give 2 examples. He is a rich boy and the Nile is a long river. Or you can write the whole 5. First of all, write the definition. Then you give all the 5 examples. No need to do the exercises in the book. They are already in the book. Don't do it again. Just write the definition and the examples. Then you come to kinds of adjectives. Write down all the kinds and give one kind of example. Like here I am describing about adjective of quality. So you will write adjective of quality and you will write all the 5 examples. आपने सारे 5 के 5 examples लिखने हैं. I have only explained one, but orally I have explained all the 5. So you have to write all the 5 in your notebook. Now we will do the exercise number 2. Here we have to underline the adjective of quality. Now Prakash is an honest employee. So here honest क्या है? Honest is used for the word Prakash. So now you are my best friend. So here what is the underline करना है हमने? Quality. Best is used for the noun friend. So write down. We will do it here. Exercise number 2. Underline the adjective of quality and write the noun. You are my best friend. So best is the adjective. आप लिखिए best is used for the noun you. First one. Second is, no, not you. Here will come as friend. So what kind of friend is he? He is best friend. So now come, our school is far from here. Far is used for the noun school. Third one, the medicine is bitter. Bitter, and here you will write the same thing, medicine. Fourth one, Rohit is an intelligent police officer. Intelligent police officer. Fifth, our school wall is high. High. Our school wall. Right? So now come to page number 50. The sky is blue. Blue और इधर आ जाएगा sky. You have to write the same. Seven. It was foolish of me to believe him. Foolish. It was foolish of me to believe him. Now what is which noun or pronoun it is describing? Foolish of me to believe him. Him. The shopkeeper is busy attending his customers. Busy customers. Ninth, everyone admires his outspoken nature. Outspoken. His nature. Not nature. Everyone admires his nature. What means what kind of nature is his? Outspoken nature. So here it is describing the nature. It answers the question what kind. So ask yourself, when you read the sentence, ask yourself, she is a beautiful girl. What kind of girl? Beautiful girl. So with this we have completed our exercise number 2. Now we come to the next kind, that is adjective of quantity. We have done the first one. Now we will do the second one, adjective of quantity. Now as that this suggests quantity, क्या पता चलता है quantity से? कितनी ज़्यादा है? ठीक है? It indicates the quantity of a noun, uncountable. Quantity क्या होती है? Uncountable. It answers the question how much. It answers the question how much. It tells us about the quantity. और क्वांटिटी क्या होती है? अनकाउंटेबल. जो हम नाउन्स को काउंट नहीं कर सकते, ये उनके लिए यूज होती है. ठीक है, जैसे मिल्क है, वाटर है. दैट इज कॉल्ड द एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. इट हेल्प्स टू शो द अमाउंट और द अप्रॉक्सीमेट अमाउंट ऑफ अ नाउन और अ pronoun. These adjectives do not provide any exact number. It just tells you the amount or approximately amount. क्योंकि अनकाउंटेबल है, काउंट तो हो नहीं सकती है, तो ये आपको एक अंदाज बता देती है, अंदाज़ा कि कितनी है वो चीज़, नाउन या प्रोनाउन कितना है. Rather they tell us the amount of a noun in relative or in the whole terms. Now see the example. She has some money. Now It can be counted, but here it is telling you some money, थोड़ा पैसा है. एग्जैक्ट नंबर नहीं बताएगी आपको, जो क्वांटिटी है वो आपको नंबर नहीं बताएगी. इट विल जस्ट गिव यू हाउ मच, अंदाज़ा देगी आपको कितनी ज़्यादा, इन होल टर्म्स और इन रिलेटिव. नाउ शीला हैज़ इनफ मनी टू बाय अ न्यू हाउस. इनफ मनी, उसके पास इतना पैसा है कि वो एक नया घर खरीद सके. तो आपको अमाउंट का पता चल गया ना कि घर नया खरीदने के लिए कितना पैसा चाहिए होता है. तो शी हैज़ इनफ मनी, right? Enough here is the adjective of quantity. Some money, again it is telling you about how much money she has. There is a little water in the jug. There is a little water in a jug. कितना पानी है, ठीक है ना, little है, थोड़ा सा है. It is telling you it will not tell you the exact amount, it will just give you the approximate amount. They have finished most of the rice. Most of the rice means here it is telling you about the quantity, how much rice they have used. Means 80% जो राइस है उन्होंने यूज़ कर लिए हैं. Most means ज़्यादा amount. A lot of sugar fell on the floor. बहुत सारी शुगर, lot of sugar fell on the floor. तो here the words like some, little, few, a lot, enough, ये words जो हैं quantity में आएंगे. Now adjective of number. यहाँ पे तो आपको बताता है how much, पर एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर में वो आपको बताता है कार्डिनल्स, लाइक 1 2 3. और ऑर्डिनल्स मीन्स इन शॉर्ट वी कैन से हाउ मैनी. कार्डिनल्स कौन से होते हैं हमारे, 1 2 3. और ऑर्डिनल्स हमारे होते हैं फर्स्ट सेकेंड थर्ड. ठीक है, तो हमें नंबर बताएगा वो एग्जैक्टली, एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर. जैसे thousands of people have gathered in the auditorium. Thousands of people, it is telling you about the cardinal number. बहुत सारे लोग, thousands. Like the aeroplane will take off in 10 minutes. Again it is telling you in number, numbers आ रहे हैं. It can be as first, second, third, fourth, 20th, 30th, 100th, 1000th, or 1 2 3 4 100,000, any. Means it will tell you how many. आपको नंबर में बताएगा वो. Now listen to the examples. The 5 minutes had a close shave in the accident. 5 friends, sorry. तो 5 friends, कितने friends? How many friends? 5 friends. In how much time the aeroplane will take off? 10 minutes. Right? Again it is telling you the number. How many people have gathered in the auditorium? Thousands of people. Number. The coach has explained the rules of the game several times. बहुत बार कोच ने रूल बताए गेम के. How many times? Several times. All the vehicles were trapped in the traffic jam. All the vehicles. कितने vehicles? How many vehicles? All the vehicles. So it is telling you about the number. Now we come to the exercise number 3. Soma lives on the 5th floor. So here हमारे ऑर्डिनल आएगा. 5 फ्लोर नहीं कहते हम कभी भी, 5th फ्लोर कहते हैं. Johnny was born on the 8th of January or 8th January. 8th. Johnny was born on 8th of January. Second, dash of people have gathered in the stadium. Thousands of people. Third, Saturday is the 7th day of the week. Ordinal. Fourth, this is the dash time the announcement has been made. This is the 100th time. DTH. 100 लिख के TH. 100th time. Tomorrow is their 25th wedding anniversary. 25th wedding anniversary. Here again, ordinal, 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 ordinal. Here cardinal. Sheena had 10 stitches on her head. 7. Sheena had 6th. Okay. Tulika has 6th. यहाँ पे आएगा. 5th one is Tulika has 6 kittens. Then उसके बाद आएगा 25th. 7th आएगा Sheena had 10 stitches. My brother has collected 2000 stamps from all over the world. 2000. 9. December is the 12th month. Roni stood first. Roni stood first in the class. So with this we have completed the adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, and we have done the exercise number 3 also. So all of you are required to do this work in your notebooks.